Good day, also welcome back to our channel. So the UK used Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max was released a while back, and in 2026 this device is still cool and powerful. Comes with a very nice camera, premium design, very cool processor, and a whole lot of other features in which we are going to be talking about. We also talk about the pros and cons, talk about the specification, and also the price of the UK used iPhone 11 Pro Max in Nigeria in 2026. So let's get started. Let's start with the specifications. The iPhone 11 Pro Max was unveiled in September 10, 2019, and ever since then the device has been around. It comes with a glass front, glass back, and the stainless steel frame. Comes in option of nano SIM and the eSIM, and the 2 nano SIM options for China. Then also comes with IP68 dust and water resistant rating. At the front of this device is a 6.5 inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a screen resolution of 1242 by 2688 pixels, and this display is protected with a scratch resistant glass. So, additionally, the device debuted with iOS 13, which can be upgradable to the latest iOS 26.5, and is powered by the Apple A13 Bionic processor, which is still a very nice processor. In 2026 it can play your games, although not ideal for heavy games. Coming over to its storage option, 3 storage options are available on the model, including the 64GB, 256GB, and the 512GB, but in anything you are doing, please avoid the 64GB so you don't regret your life. All iPhone 11 Pro Max comes with 4GB of RAM. Coming over to its camera, at the rear of this device is a triple camera setup consisting of a 12 megapixel wide lens, 12 megapixel telephoto, and 12 megapixel ultra wide lens. It also comes with a dual LED dual tone flash that helps you take photos and shoot videos in all lighting conditions. Coming over to this video, it can record videos at up to 4K at 2425, 30, and the 60 frames per second, 1080p, and other resolutions. Coming over to the front-facing camera, at the front of this device is a 12 megapixel camera that can shoot clean photos and record videos as well at up to 4K at 2425, 30, and 60 frames per second. So you can see that is ideal for content creation, taking photos, and the normal capturing every moment of your life from day to day. At the rear of this device is a 3969 mAh non-removable battery that can charge from 0 to 50 in just 30 minutes. It supports the wireless QI charging, so there is no wireless MagSafe charging on this one. Then coming over to its network, it comes with 2G, 3G, 4G. There is no 5G on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. So if you intend using the 5G, you drop this one and opt for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Then let's talk about the pros and cons. The first, premium design, comes with excellent camera, strong battery life. If you get the one with a good battery, smooth performance, OLED display, and a great video quality. But the downside of this device is it comes with 60Hz refresh rate, no USB Type-C. The device is quite heavy. But the device does not support this latest AI feature, so that's the downside of this device. Aside that, it's still a very good device to buy. Then let's talk about the pricing. Coming over to the pricing of the UK used iPhone 11 Pro Max in Nigeria right now starts at 280,000 naira and goes up to 350, 370,000, depending on the storage option you are picking and the overall neatness of the device. What do you think about the UK used iPhone 11 Pro Max? Have you used this device before? If you have, please drop your views in the comment. If you need the UK used iPhones at an affordable rate, do what to reach out to Alpha Luxury Gadget on 090-4323-7566 for clean devices at an affordable rate. Thank you.